If you're 60 or older, one simple drink before you sleep could be quietly transforming your health in ways you never expected. And the truth is, most people in their later years are completely unaware that this is even happening. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal could reshape your entire approach to aging well. What doctors often overlook is that nighttime is your body's prime repair window. Your liver cleanses, tissues regenerate, and inflammation naturally dials down. By consuming clove-infused water at this specific time, you're delivering potent, active compounds right when your system is most prepared to use them. Particularly after age 60, let me walk you through the actual process. In this video, you'll learn the little-known advantages of this nightly ritual. I'll also give you the precise recipe, the optimal way to consume it for the best effects, and a crucial list of people who should steer clear of this remedy. The research, the right technique, the safety notes, every essential detail is coming up. You'll want to watch all the way through. Alright, let's begin. First, overnight antioxidant renewal. As you rest, clove water saturates your system with eugenol, vitamin C and E, and flavonoids. These agents combat unstable free radicals, decrease oxidative damage, and shield your maturing cells. Consider it a nightly tune-up for your cellular machinery, a process that becomes less efficient as we get older. Second, it soothes systemic inflammation. Persistent inflammation is a key culprit behind stiff joints, aching muscles, and reduced mobility with age. The eugenol in cloves acts as a natural inflammation calming agent, dialing down overactive immune responses while your nervous system is at rest. Many older adults report less ache in the morning and easier movement after consistent use. Third, a digestive system reset. Struggling with bloating or indigestion? Clove water can gently counteract problematic gut bacteria, encourage digestive enzyme release, and help restore balance in your gut overnight. A happier gut leads to improved nutrient uptake, a more robust immune response, and increased vitality the following day. Fourth, it aids your liver's nightly cleanse. Here's an intriguing fact. Your liver performs the bulk of its detoxification work after dark. Clove water supplies hepatoprotective elements that safeguard liver cells, inhibit fat oxidation, and encourage renewal. This support becomes vital past 60, as the liver's resilience can decline. Fifth, it promotes balanced blood sugar. Research has uncovered something significant. Components like eugenol and nigericin can enhance insulin response and how cells take in glucose. This helps manage unexpected blood sugar rises during the night, a common, often unnoticed issue for older individuals, even those not diagnosed with diabetes. Sixth, it encourages bone strength. Bone density often decreases silently after 60. Compounds in cloves stimulate osteoblasts, the cells that build bone, while discouraging osteoclasts, the cells that break it down. With time, this can contribute to maintaining bone density and lowering the risk of fractures naturally. Seventh, it supports oral health. This drink also functions as a gentle natural mouth rinse. Its antibacterial qualities fight the microbes that cause tooth decay and gum irritation. Many seniors find their gums are healthier and sensitivity diminishes, all without aggressive chemicals. Eighth, deeper, more restorative sleep. Inadequate sleep speeds up the aging process. Clove constituents like beta-caryophyllene engage with your nervous system, easing tension and promoting mental calm. This paves the way for a more profound healing sleep, especially during the core hours when your body enters its peak restorative phase. Your most powerful healing happens while you're asleep. Ninth, skin and collagen support from within overnight. Clove water helps diminish inflammation, combat blemishes, and may aid collagen synthesis. The outcome? Firmer skin, reduced redness, and a healthier, more youthful appearance that starts from the inside. 10th, cellular defense. Lab studies indicate eugenol might prompt compromised cells to undergo self-removal, lessen oxidative stress, and reduce inflammation tied to irregular cell growth. This is precisely why scientists are examining cloves for their potential in long-term cellular safeguarding. Preparation and method. So, how do you make it? It's straightforward and safe. Here's the proper method. 1. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 2. Add 4 to 5 whole cloves. 3. Let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Allow it to cool. 5. Strain the liquid. 6. Drink 1 cup roughly 30 minutes before bedtime. Do not have more than 2 cups in a 24-hour period. Conclusion. If you're over 60 and trying this, type nightly clove in the comments below. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more nature-backed, science-informed health strategies. And if you found this valuable, please hit the like button. It truly helps our channel grow and lets us know what content serves you best. Thanks for watching.